In this video, I'll show you how to create a heart-shaped gemstone in Nomad Sculpt. We'll use this environment picture with the exposure set a bit high. Please enable the wireframe. First, delete the default sphere. Add a UV sphere. Set X to 10 and Y to 2. Tap Validate. Tap the third icon from the left on the top bar. Tap Multi-Res. Check Linear and keep triangles, then tap Subdivide. Select the Mask tool. Mask the very tip. Invert the mask. Use the gizmo to flatten the tip. Tap Clear All to remove the mask. Now we have a diamond shape. If we paint it as it is, the subdivided facets won't reflect light properly. Let's do a little trick to improve the reflection. Tap Face Groups. Tap Mirror and set the Y-axis radial count to 10. Group the center of the diamond. Select the Mask tool. Tap Mask from Group in the Face Groups menu. Tap the grouped area. Invert the mask. Use the gizmo to scale the whole thing up slightly. Clear all masks. Now the subdivided areas reflect light beautifully. Switch to the top view and reset the mirror settings. Use the Move tool to deform it into a heart shape from the top view. Flatten the bottom tip as well using the Mask tool and the gizmo. The heartstone is complete. Next, let's make a small diamond. Create another diamond using the exact same method. Tap Solo to hide the heartstone for now. Switch to the front view, mask the lower subdivisions, and adjust the shape with the gizmo. Increase the metallic value and choose any color you like. Turn off Solo. Let's arrange the small diamonds around the heartstone. We'll use the curve repeater to duplicate the diamonds. The repetition follows the direction of the green arrow on the pivot point. Therefore, we need to edit the pivot axis. Tap Pivot. Enable Snap and rotate it so that the green arrow points horizontally. Tap Pivot again to finish editing. Go to the Scene menu and select the Curve Repeater. Check Closed to loop it, then tap Snap to disable it. Edit the curve to perfectly match the shape of the heartstone. Increase the count and make fine adjustments. Adjust the angle and size of the stones. Finally, let's use post-processing to make it look like a real gemstone. Reflection allows the objects to reflect off of one another. Ambient occlusion applies your chosen color to the shadows. Enabling sharpening will make the details and facets pop out much more clearly. Nomad Sculpt is an incredibly easy-to-use modeling app. I highly encourage you to try out various tutorials. I create these videos to help support your creative journey, so please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.